Welcome to Tech Captain with another interesting video. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus is being fully unveiled today, July 31st. But the company isn't waiting until then to show at least some of the phone off, with a new teaser image on X revealing the back of the device. However, if you've seen the Nothing Phone 2A, then you've more or less seen this new phone, as there are no obvious visual differences between them based on this image. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus is shown with a dual lens camera in the center of a circular panel, a trio of glyph lights, and a wavy pattern running down the bottom half of the phone, all of which you'll also find on the standard Nothing Phone 2A. So what's different? Well, this isn't the first Nothing Phone 2A Plus teaser, and previously the company has revealed that it has a new 50 megapixel front camera, in place of the 2A's 32 megapixel, though the rear cameras are once again 50 megapixel. The main change, though, is likely to be in performance, with the Nothing Phone 2A Plus using a MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro chipset, which is said to be almost 10% faster than the Dimensity 7200 Pro in the standard Nothing Phone 2A. There's still a lot we don't know about the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, so hopefully there will be some other upgrades too, perhaps to its screen or battery, and ideally without too much of a price rise. If nothing can pull that off, then this might end up being one of the best cheap phones. We'll find out at 2 a.m. PT on Wednesday, July 31st, as that's when the Nothing Phone 2A Plus's launch event kicks off. We'll bring you all the news from the event. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.